In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain in Vercel. First, open your Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to configure. Click on the three dots next to your project name and choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Domains section. Here, you'll see your connected domains and an option to add a new one. Click on Add, then enter your subdomain in the format subdomain.yourdomain.com. Once your subdomain is added, you can manage its DNS records. Click on Manage DNS to add or edit records like A or C name depending on your setup. Enter the required values for each record, such as the host, type, and value. After entering the details, click Save to apply the changes. Vercel will now route traffic from your subdomain to your project correctly. Make sure to check your subdomain to confirm it's pointing to your Vercel project. And that's it. You've successfully added a subdomain in Vercel and connected it to your project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Vercel and web development tutorials.